Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Wolfpack 27 12.5. This camper comes in at 38 feet 6 inches tongue to bumper and weighs just over 8,900 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime if you're hooking up. We have two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. Hard shell cover with a quick access lid. We have your diamond plate rock guard. That red key is a 12-volt cutoff switch, so when you're not using the camper, you can turn that key to the off position and kill all ghost power to your battery. We have the curved radius front end. This camper is 102 wide, so it is the extra wide trailer, perfect for all your side-by-side needs in the garage area. Up front here, we have your storage compartment. As you can see, you get lots of room inside there. Power cord is included. We have the brain for your solar up front. There is a 200-watt solar panel currently mounted on the roof. It is also prepped for the Furrion 360 cameras, so you could have the side cameras very easily here. Making our way back, we have the leash latch so the furry family members can tag along. We have your electric stabilizer jacks. We're going to have two in the front, two in the back. How this works, you will extend the jacks down. One will come and hit the ground first, then the other one will come down and they will equal out in pressure to stabilize the camper for you. Here we have this wonderful outside kitchen. You get your griddle, prep space, you get an ice maker and a refrigerator outside here. Water source on the side. There is an LP quick disconnect down below so you can use the gas that is on the camper and you don't have to worry about taking an extra gas container with you. Nice large power awning with the blue LED accent light. Each leg is adjustable, so if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning. We have your porch light, oversized grab handle that drops down for you as well. Sturdy steps where each leg is adjustable if you're on different levels of ground. We have the black tempered glass entrance door. It has an integrated window and a full-size screen door as well. Outside speakers that light up blue. We have your outside entertainment center where your TV can slip right in out here. So it's the same mounting bracket that we use on the inside. TV connections. Down below, all four wheels have self-adjusting brakes. The center cap on the axle will pop off. They're quick, easy lube axles. We also have this tire pressure monitoring system. How that works, the side of this will turn red if you're low on air, so we'll unscrew that just to demonstrate. That way you can walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. As we make our way back, you'll notice we have this really cool patio sliding door back here. So this lets a lot of extra light into the garage area. It comes with a screen door as well. Really neat feature back here. Here's the other, your other stabilizers back here. And we also have another leash latch. The garage area is equipped with these, I apologize, I'm drawing a blank here. With your fume vents here. So if you're hauling anything with a generator, you can open this up. There's one on the other side and get cross ventilation as you're traveling down the road. Making our way to the back, we have your patio system. You'll notice the gate goes all the way around. Up top, we have your porch light, and it also comes equipped with the backup camera already on. There is a screen wall. It's a little tough to see on the outside, but the screen wall is rolled up right now, so you can unroll that, keep it down to keep the bugs out, and help keep the air inside. Making our way over here, there is going to be a sewer hose holder underneath. We have your dump station in front of that with your black handle for your black tank, gray handle for your gray tank. Over here, this is a really neat feature. If you have a side-by-side that you're loading up in the garage area, you can simply open up this compartment door here. You can reach into this front tie down and tie down your side-by-side. So without that, you really can't get up to that front corner and secure your side-by-side. So a really neat feature by Wolfpack there. This is a 50 amp unit and it will come with a 25-foot detachable power cord. And right above this reflective window here is going to be the other side with that fume vent for your cross ventilation. Here we have your furnace vent, has a cable satellite connection, so if you're at a campground that offers that, you can tap right into it as well. Moving on up, we have your on-demand water heater. It is a tankless system, so it's gas only, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water, so about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. Down below, we have an outside shower port. You would actually use that same blue coil hose sprayer that was on the other side by the outside kitchen. We have a black tank flush, so when you're done camping for the weekend, you can hook your water hose up here and clean out your black tank. And last but not least, your water fill station. So if you're going to be dry camping or boondocking, you can fill up the fresh water tank on board, turn on your water pump, and use that water. If you're at a campground, you simply hook up to the city water connection, and that'll pressurize the lines for you. And that'll complete our walkthrough, the outside walkthrough of the Wolfpack 27 12.5, and now we'll take a look at the inside. As we make our way to the inside, you'll have the kitchen area on the left-hand side, refrigerator on the right, and then there's a hallway to the left going back to the garage area. We have your slide room with the theater seating where all 3 seats will recline. And then we have your front bedroom, entertainment center with some storage behind that, place to hang your sweatshirts here. And we'll go ahead and get started right inside the door. We have this 12-volt monitor to help keep an eye on your battery, since we have the 200-watt solar panel up top. We have your switches for the awning and slide room, and a couple light switches down below that. Storage up above the refrigerator. This is a 12-volt refrigerator. So what's nice about the 12-volt refrigerators is they are deeper than the gas electric and much more efficient as well. These will cool down in just a couple hours for you, where you don't have to run these for 24 hours to get them to cool down all the way. Down below, we have your breakers and fuses and your CO detector. Moving over here to the entertainment center again. We have your fireplace, which can be on for looks as it is right now, or it can be on as an electric heat source. We have a little cubby hole to store your remotes. Nice large flat screen TV. That is a smart TV as well. Behind the entertainment center is a storage compartment. So you'll notice it has lots of shelves back here. There is also a 110 outlet down by the countertop and a couple storage drawers underneath. So perfect place to store some pots and pans, hide a trash can or a broom in there as well. And now we'll make our way up into the front bedroom area. Up front here, you'll notice this really large window on the left-hand side. We have the built-in nightstand with a 110 and 12-volt charge port beside it. Some hanging storage. There is storage underneath the bed as well. And we have the Wolfpack King mattress here. Up top, you get some storage as well with the cargo nets and some extra lighting, decorative wallboard, more hanging storage on the other side of the bed, again with your 110 and 12-volt charge ports. Another really large window over there. Up top, we have your connections for a TV. You'll see on the wall there's a sticker that says TV backer, so you can add a TV right there as well. And then over here to the right, we have a digital thermostat and a light switch. That thermostat is going to be for the air conditioner up here in the bedroom. So it does have a separate AC. And we have a 12-volt charge port over here. So if you were to add that Furrion 360 camera system, you could plug the monitor in up here and use it as a security system as well and keep that monitor charged up. In the main living room area, up top, you'll notice we have your main air conditioner. There is also going to be a large exhaust fan in the kitchen that is ran with a remote to turn that on and off and adjust the speed of it as well. In the slide room area, you get windows on all 3 sides. These are really large windows we have here. There's a 12-volt charge port underneath the light switch. We have your theater seating where all 3 seats will recline. They have the blue LED accent lights. They are also the heated massage chairs. Moving over into the kitchen area, we have your furnace down below, a couple storage drawers. We have your microwave, which is actually a convection oven, and an air fryer as well. So all 3 in one, really neat feature. 3-burner stovetop with the glass cover, so you can utilize that as prep space if you are not cooking. Over here on the left-hand side, we have this storage compartment underneath the sink. So nice storage down below here. Single bowl sink that has the cup rinsing station on the left-hand side. We have your monitor panel where you can see how full your tanks are, and also turn on your water pump. This camper is equipped with 12-volt heating pads. That is the switch, the blue switch on the left-hand side. So if you're out in cold weather, you can turn those on to keep your tanks from freezing. On the wall, we have the MaxxAir remote. That is for the exhaust fan. Up top here, another 110 outlet. Here we have this organization rack on the wall. You can make that into about any configuration you want to hold spices, knives, and all sorts of stuff up there. Nice overhead storage in the kitchen area. And now we'll make our way back to the hallway, taking a look at the bathroom first. Here we have another large window that has the darkening shade over it. Going into the bathroom, we have your sink area, toilet with plenty of leg room on both sides. Nice large shower area with the hot and cold water. We have the shower curtain that pulls over, upgraded shower head, skylight in the bathroom, and I'm going to tilt up here. We get another MaxxAir vent fan in the bathroom. Over on the left-hand side, you are going to get your medicine cabinet. And again, we have your vanity down below. And as we step inside here, above the sink area, we have a 110 outlet, a light switch. You're going to get your thermostat for the on-demand water heater to turn that on and off and adjust the temperature of it as well. And there is the remote, just like the one in the kitchen, for the MaxxAir exhaust fan in the bathroom here. And now we'll make our way back to the garage area. On our way back, we are going to have the thermostat for the main air conditioner. And down below, we are going to have this little area here where you can play music off of. It is kind of like your stereo, if you will. So this will control the speakers inside and outside. You can scan that and play music off your phone from your favorite app, whether it be YouTube or Pandora or wherever you listen to your music from. That way you always get a nice crystal clear signal. You'll notice these tie-down brackets go all the way up here. They do a great job in the Wolfpack series of getting the tie-down brackets to the front and back of the camper with a couple extra in the middle. You'll notice we have these chairs set up. These are also cots. They can turn into sleeping areas, so they will lay flat. The cushion will unfold, and you get 2 extra sleeping areas back here. Here we get this patio door. You'll notice we have the curtains to pull across, but nice large patio door. Lets in a lot of sunlight as well. Up top, we have a couple speakers and the Wolfpack emblem with the blue LED accent lights. Gives it a really nice feeling back here in the garage. We have your screen wall that will roll down. Here is the patio system. Also lets in a lot of extra sunlight and fresh air. Over here on this side, you get a couple more windows, and those are going to have the darkening blinds on them as well. Up top, you get 4 more speakers on this side. There is the vent for that cross ventilation. Some built-in storage in the corner. And against the wall, we have this desk area that will collapse flat to the wall. There is a 12-volt charge port in the middle and 2 110 outlets on both sides and a couple bar stools here. We have a furnace duct, ducted all the way back. The AC is also ducted back here as well. An additional 110 outlet on the wall. And up front here, we get another really large flat screen smart TV. There is a camera prep in the garage, so if you wanted to add that Furrion camera here, you would be able to keep an eye on your toys in the garage as you're traveling down the road. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Wolfpack 27 12.5. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.